Destiny Jackson hair community members, this hair is absolutely stunning. It is so flowy. It is definitely a testament that the bigger the better. The just beautiful and bouncy and natural. Just look at this. Look at this. So if you want to see, look, we can go to the right side. We can go back to the middle, and we can also go to the left side. How gorgeous, how stunning. If you want to know how to grow your hair so that it is long and strong, healthy, bouncy and flowy, and just perfect. Grow your God-given hair the best way possible. I have all of my secrets embedded for you in the hair book manual. Gift of a lifetime. Don't miss out on it. But watch the rest of this video, like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. And at 1,000 subscribers, there's a very special surprise that I have for you. But until now, hold tight and see how to achieve this gorgeous hair. So these curls are 3 days old. If you want to see how I curled my hair initially, then you have to watch the video on my channel called How To Big Bouncy Curly Hair in 5 minutes. But I had to check the camera there. Just to start, divide your hair into 2 sections. That is pretty simple. We'll just take a wide tooth comb and gently, I repeat, gently comb through the ends. Okay, now we're separating again. Okay, so we separated that half piece into another half. We are just finger separating. So continue to do that. And then take the comb, start at the bottom, and then just work your way up. And you just need to tap the comb, like tap the comb through your hair basically. Do not pull. I repeat, do not pull. Pulling your hair is very, very bad. Extensive combing, okay, extensive brushing is very, very bad. Sometimes it's just best to leave the hair as it is. Now, quite naturally, you should not comb your hair like this every day in order to enlarge it. But for these purposes, it's totally fine. Because especially at this time, my hair has reached maximum strength, maximum length, maximum everything. So it's not fragile at this time. But as long as you're combing softly when doing this, which should not be often, okay? So continue to do that. And as you can see, that process was pretty fast. It didn't take long. But the great thing is we had our curls, so we were already working with some volume there. Yes, now it's time for the other side. Mom, this hair is gorgeous, Mom. All of my styles are, but I should wear this more often, Mom. I really should. So now we are just separating the right side, the front section of the right side of our hair. Yep, we all look good in that camera. I love how we say we. Yes, start with the comb at the ends. Comb through gently. Continue. I can't show you until it's done. I will show you the finished product. Yes! I'm recording now. But Mom, I don't wear my hair like this a lot, but I think this is me. Mom, you might have to take me somewhere, okay? Why? I look so good. Well, so much for daughter propositions, but I tell you this much. I didn't go out anywhere with Mom, but I did take a Snapchat intermission. And you know what? It is time for that. And it's time for a Snapchat intermission in 5, 4, 3, 2, one. So we are pretty much done, especially with the right side. So now, look at this. Oh, wow. You can just fluff it out more. Oh, this hair is so amazing. And of course, the maximum strength is only due to the methodology that I share with you in my hair book. Okay, yes, so comment down below which part you prefer. This is the right side part. Alrighty. We have the middle part. And now left side part. Oh, wow. This is... Ooh! So just continue to play with your hair and make sure it is to your liking. Oh, and sometimes, oh yeah, you just have to break a little move there. So that concludes our big, flowy, beautiful, bouncy princess hair. This is just so amazing. I want every woman of color and every young girl to know that her hair is beautiful. Her God-given hair, her natural curls and her natural kinks are just so gorgeous. And every time she looks in the mirror, I want you to smile and know that you are beautiful.